Yes, sir. I'm back. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Come on. I'm back. Alright? I'm back. Word. Action. Liza. Crew. What it do? Hey. Listen, it's been a minute since I made a video. I know. You like, yo, where you at? I know. That's on me. I got caught slacking. I started working on some other things. I've been trying to prepare some things behind the scenes and whatnot. But listen, I'm back. Alright, in this video, I'm gonna be designing feather pants. Now you may be thinking like feather pants, brother. I know it's crazy, right? But just hear me out. I'm gonna tell y'all the backstory. I was literally just outside one day and I just seen like a red cardinal just like flying. My buddy was just like chilling there. And I was just like, yo, the red cardinal's feathers would go crazy on some pants. You feel me? So then from there, I was just like, yo, how am I gonna make this happen? So I had to go to the drawing board. I ended up doing all that. I'm not even gonna speak too much. I'm gonna just let y'all see how this video turns out. But have my feathers. Yo, could you bring me down my feathers too, please?
Goddamn, youngin, you always need some shit. Shut up.
Alright. Damn, you had to hit me with it. You feel me? Like, I appreciate you though. Now with all of these, yes, you. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You right there. With all of these, let's get to work. So I'm gonna go and tell y'all, I already went through the methods and I already made the shorts, alright? And there's two methods I tried using to bond the feathers to the pant. And I realized that one worked better than the other. I have super glue and hot glue stick. Super glue is obviously a really strong bonding agent, but it didn't work well with the fabric, so I wasn't able to stick the feather on the pant. However, the glue sticks, these where it's at, you feel me? Like this was really nice. Like it was able to stick on the pants well. I just had to apply a little bit on there, then boom, I pressed the feather down, held it so then it could bond to the fabric, and then of course as it cooled down, it hardened and it stayed. So now the feathers are flexible, you feel me? I can pull on them and tug and it's not going anywhere. Obviously don't pull too hard because they will fall off, you feel me? But that's besides the point. They on there, you get me? Boom. I did have another method as well I was gonna try, but that included like layering down some more fabric and then sewing it so then it could be stitched in. But I don't know if the quills is even that strong to be able to like get stitched. I don't know. That's probably gonna be another process I'll do, or like experiment I'll play with later down the road. If you ever attempt to do this, I suggest you use glue sticks instead of super glue, because the super glue, it wasn't really working. But I've been talking a lot, so let's get into it. Alright, that's how the pants is looking, you feel me? Come on, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be outside getting other people's reactions to see how they like the pants. So y'all stay tuned for those videos. They are coming soon. But if you haven't already subscribed and joined the Actualizer crew, please go ahead and drop a comment down below if you like the pants or not. And go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And you know I can't forget, we just hit 80 subscribers, yo. We on like 82 now. Bro, I want to thank each and every single subscriber. Yeah, you watching this video right now. God bless you, respectfully. Indeed. You know what I'm saying? I'll be straight. Now we on road to 100, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Road to 100 is coming soon. Let's get it going, let's get it popping, let's get it rocking. You get me? The Actualizer crew, that's all I have for you. And that concludes the video. Word. Word. Yes, sir. Mr. Money, Aiko. Bruh, my chair is great and I'm wearing great. I'm supposed to be popping out from my background, but yeah, I stay trying to blend in. Why am I always trying to blend in when I'm supposed to be popping out, yo? You hear me? I'm supposed to be popping out fully into it, right? Oh snap, where did they come from? That guy. That guy. That guy. Remember some days said like you eat like this. I was just like, bro, where y'all get these jokes from? Where y'all be getting these jokes from, bro? Like what? Don't look at the camera, bro. Remember, the camera's not there. That's hard. Bet. But where my feathers at, yo? Hey, I gotta be so professional when I'm talking on the camera. But where are my feathers, John and Billy? And that guy! Alright, it doesn't hit the second time. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. Like, you kind of dragged it on down. Yeah. I dragged it. Yeah. Wait, would you slide me just one more just for good measure? Please? I really gotta go get it myself. I do? That's how we're always acting. We're always acting for one more, please. The last time, please. Why? It's human nature. Why? Because we have rickets of the mind. Rickets of the mind. Yeah, be a blood clot.